Remember the snowstorm in Texas? There were some who believe that it was all orchestrated. The snowstorm was orchestrated. They say artificial snow was rained down on Texas on purpose. I'm not making this up. There are people who believe that it was all part of an evil plot. Some netizens say they have proof. And they also know who's behind it all. Take a look at this.
We live in a really foolish world. Wondering why we're saying this? Watch this. People are burning snow in the US to prove that the snow is fake. Thousands have embarked on this mission. Snowballs are being torched one after the other, with zero regard for science or sublimation. When fire hits the snowball, the snow turns from solid to gas. In other words, it disappears. But who will explain this to geniuses with smartphones? They insist the snow is fake, and it apparently was deliberately rained down on Texas. The power outage was deliberate. The blackouts were deliberate. The deaths and the damage all deliberate. The burning fake snow is evidence. Who is behind this so-called fake snow? Conspiracy theorists have found the villains. The government of Joe Biden and Bill Gates. The same evil Bill Gates who is supposedly behind the Wuhan virus. He also apparently inserted chips into Wuhan virus vaccines. Poor Bill Gates must be sitting somewhere wondering why me. Maybe because he promoted the idea of using weather control to check climate change. Gates is probably thinking he shouldn't have. Surely he must know that there's a school that absolutely absolves him and blames China instead. Only if these conspiracy theorists would rather expend the effort to make a cute snowman instead. Go back home, sit down with a cuppa and read some science. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.